Hey guys, Ronnie here out in the shop. Hey, I got a quick tip video for you. You know, it's really frustrating when you lose the dust cap cover to the inlet valve of your pneumatic tools. Where do they go? I don't know. Anyway, what's equally frustrating is go online and see how much they want to replace it. So I found a cheaper alternative, a little DIY kind of fix that I'm going to bring you in and show you. Let me know what you think. So this is the dust cap I pulled off another one of my tools. I looked online and I could not believe how much they wanted for these. By the way, if you want to learn how to oil your pneumatic tool, I'll leave a link in the description above. So anyway, I bought these caps. They're kind of rubbery plastic pliable caps to go over the inlet valve. And the first one I bought was actually too small. It fit really snug up until that first ring, but it wouldn't go over that first ring. So this second cap, larger diameter cap, really fit the bill pretty good. The first cap actually slides and fits inside the first cap, so that gave me an idea to do this. I cut off the cap end of the smaller diameter and I fit that onto the inlet valve up to the first ring, and then I will take the larger cap and slide it over that smaller cap past the first ring, and it fits really snug. Nice dust free cap. Well, there you go. I told you it'd be a quick tip. Nice little DIY project for your dust cap. Sits on there really snug, won't fall off. The only problem is you can't lose these, but if you do, it's a lot cheaper than replacing the single one. Hope it helps. Leave your comments below on what you use. I'd like to know. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.